Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Children, in the last period we were discussing about pictograph and we have solved some questions over there. Again we shall have a revision and try to do some work of exercise 12 which we will do in a copy. See the first question. Our toy sellers sold toys and write their number on a paper. He prepared the following pictograph of his sale in a week. See this pictograph, children. This is toy car. How many toy cars are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. The next toy is doll. How many dolls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then aeroplanes. How many aeroplanes are there? Only 3. 1, 2 and 3. And then see rickshaw. There are 2 rickshaw. And then there is written there one picture stands for 5 toys. So we have to answer some question based on this pictograph. Now see the questions. Which toys were sold most? You can see here the most number of toys we can see are doll, that is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one picture stands for 5 dolls. So 5 pictures means 5 times 5. That is, see here, one picture stands for 5 toys, and 5 times 5 we can multiply 5 times, or we can add 5 times. 5 plus 5 10, plus 5 15, plus 5 20, and plus 5 25. So how many dolls were sold? That is 25. Then the next question is, how many toys were sold? 15 in number. So 15 in number means 15 toys means how many pictures should be there? The picture should be 15 divided by 5, and that is 3, and 3 are only aeroplanes. 1, 2, 3. One aeroplane for 5, another aeroplane for 5, another aeroplane for 5. 5 plus 5 10, plus 5 15. So which toy was sold 15 number? That is aeroplane. This is clear. Then the next thing was that what is the total number of toys sold? So toy cars were 4 in number. So we added 4 times, that is 20. Then doll were 5 in number, and each doll stand for 5. So we added 5 times, and that is 25. Then aeroplanes were 3 aeroplanes in the pictograph, and 1 aeroplane stands for 5. So we added 5 3 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15. And then rickshaw, that was 2 in the figure, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So total number of toys were 20 plus 25 plus 15 plus 10, and that is 70. 70 toys were sold in total. Now the second question I have already told you in the last video that you will do in the book only. Now see the third question. Draw a pictograph showing the number of books sold in different subjects in a library. First is science book 60, maths book 50, English books are 80, and GK books are 70. And it is also given that one picture stands for 10 books. You have to, for 10 books, you will draw one picture. This picture, one picture you will draw for 10 books. Now here we will do some working notes. Look at these working notes. Science book you have to show 60. And in the key it is given that one book will represent 10 book. One picture of book will represent 10 book. So how many pictures will be needed for 60 books? We will divide 60 by 10 and we got 6. Similarly for mathematics books, there are 50 books. So how many pictures will be needed? 50. One picture stands for 10 books. So 50 books will be presented by 5 pictures. 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5. Then for English book, 80 books of English, and one picture stands for 10 books. So 80 divided by 10 is 8. Then GK book 70, and then again we will divide 70 by 10 and we will get 7. So we will draw 6 pictures for science, 5 pictures for maths. For English, we will draw 8 pictures, and for GK, we will draw 7 pictures. See, here I have drawn. First, I have made a column of subjects, and I have written science, maths, then English, then GK. Then in front of science, I have drawn how many pictures? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 6 I have not drawn. 1, 2, no, 6. Yes, we have to draw 6. So in science, we have drawn 6 pictures. Then for maths, we have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then for English, we have to draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. For GK, we will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? Now see the third question. Some favorite sports of 35 students are given. You have to draw a pictograph. What are the sports name? Table tennis. How many students play? 8. Hockey? 6. Swimming? 9. And cricket? That is 12. And you have to draw one smiley for one student. That is very easy. So you will make 2 columns. One is the sports and another is the number of students. See, first sport is table tennis. And how many students are playing table tennis? There are 8 students. So you will draw 8 smiley for table tennis. Here I am drawing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I have drawn 8 smiley for table tennis. Then next is hockey, that is played by 6 students. So I will draw 6 smileys here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then swimming by 9. So we will draw 9 smileys here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then for cricket, we need 12 students. So we will draw 12 smileys for cricket. Now start drawing 12 smileys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is how you can make a pictograph from the given information. Now do this work in your copy and submit your copy on time. Okay.